this guy. He's in a white car. He's texting big time, man. He's going all over the place. Okay, he ran away. You cannot see it. Maybe we're gonna come later on. Now I will turn here, exit 57 Somerville. That's gonna take me to 19th. Here you go, guys. I'm in West Virginia. I'm going for my 1 hour break. It's beautiful weather. I know this part of West Virginia is so beautiful. Even in the winter there is sun here, man. These Appalachian mountains are really something. Yeah, I'm in store. I'm looking for some items. See if I can find some wood here, guys. We have lots of wood in Canada, but sometimes you can look into US wood, see what they have. Why not? What the heck? I don't think they have anything special different than in Canada, but you know, we don't know. Yeah, so no, I'm looking for some kind of corners to finish my little porch home, but look like they do not have this. Maybe it's inside. Let's check it out inside. I have a little project torch. I have to decorate make my wood like a barn design, you know. So this torch should work for me, huh? They say it has enough power to burn the wood surface. I ask them, I tell them I need torch, I wanna burn something. They say, oh shit, don't burn shit here. I'm just kidding. Do I look like a pyramid guy? No, I do not. So let's go back to the shack. I put this one here and I'm gonna go to Walmart and get some items for my trip, and we are all set. I didn't have time to buy this in Canada, food I mean. So this torch in Canada is, believe it or not, $75, man. US $24. That's about 34 Canadian. So yeah, welcome to America. Everything is cheaper here, guys. That's for sure. Really good pizza, actually. Nice thin dough. I don't like commercial pizza places, you know. This is small original owner. Well, I'm not gonna eat pizza today, it's too heavy for me. So here's the now West Virginia, Fayetteville, 304-574-2605. Geno's, come in. That's it. Let's take this one. Nice, yeah. We get some salad. Yeah. Get some cheese. Get some tomato. Get some hummus. And I get some chips. So next stop will be yogurt. I need yogurt. Short supply, and I'm gonna buy one chicken. And that's it. I should be good. I have some food in fridge, some already. So that should be working really okay for me. chicken, 1 cup, and I need to see how much is 1 chicken, whole chicken. Maybe it's not much, huh? Not much. Need eggs. Make my own egg, yeah. I have a stove, so let's have fun. Alright. It's a chicken today because I realize I cannot fit chicken in my fridge. Yeah. So we're gonna stop somewhere in maybe Minnesota and buy chicken. So, oh, what is? There we go. At least popcorn chicken. So
I got the chicken cat.
popcorn chicken. Let's see if they have it. Popcorn chicken is here. How much is this? So guys, this is what I got. I got the chicken strips, 20 of them for $5. That's really good. And now I'm gonna go to McDonald's and get really good coffee, and I'm all set to run downhill there to North Carolina. See, people don't watch when I walk.